Well, I want to dive into the science behind red light and how a higher dose red light mask works. So why don't you just give a brief overview of red light therapy?
Yeah, so red light therapy uses light waves between 630 and 680 is generally like the red light range. And those wavelengths also come from the sun. So we get the most natural red light during the sunrise and the sunset. And when you're using it in a product like the higher dose red light mask, what it does is it charges the mitochondria of your cells like a battery. So, whatever that cell's function is, it helps it to function more optimally. So, that's holding moisture, that's skin cell turnover, that's basically like energizing it for it to function at its best, which is why it's so popular in the beauty industry. And then also our mask and another wavelength that is very widely studied is 830 to 850. That's another one that's really popular in the near infrared range, which you can't see with the visible eye. But it does penetrate deeper into your cells and it helps to um, increase collagen and elastin production. And it's kind of like skin food and like skin structure. So it's really good for both of those things. And also amazing for pain relief. So red light therapy is often used for pain and recovery.